the physical and psychological indications in the chart of a native in whose chart Mars is weak. Okay. Then how to identify, cross-check it from the horoscope of a person. Okay. Mars is the commander-in-chief. His portfolio is commander-in-chief of the army. Okay. He is emotionless. He is emotionless. So when particularly Mars is posited in Cancer sign, Mars is considered to be very weak. Mars gets debilitated in Cancer sign. Even though Moon and Mars are friends, Mars gets debilitated in Cancer sign. The Karakattvas of Mars and the Karakattvas of Cancer sign, they are polar opposites. That is why Mars gets debilitated. Okay. When Mars is posited in any Dusthana, particularly 8 and 12, I am not talking about Mars owning a Dusthana. Mars posited in a Dusthana, particularly in 8 and 12 houses, Mars is considered to be very weak in the chart of a native. If Mars is aspected by any natural malefic like Saturn Sun, Rahu Ketu, in this case, Mars is considered to be very weak in the chart of a native. I am talking about Mars position. I am not talking about Mars owning a Dusthana. Say, for example, this Virgo ascendants, Mars owns a Dusthana, 8th house, but Mars position in Aries sign, that is not inimical. So inimical means I have to tell something else also. If Mars is posited in any inimical signs, like if Mars is posited, see that also we cannot say is very authoritatively, we cannot say because Mars gets exalted in the sign of his enemy. I think why? Because Mars always likes to be in the enemy's camp. Because Mars is always the commander-in-chief of the army. He enjoys his can discharge his functions to full of the satisfaction of the entire planetary cabinet when he is posted in enemy sign like Saturn. That to 10th house, I am not talking about 11th house. So in these circumstances, you can say Mars is weak